Hello and good evening to our series on making a retro PC. Since I was actually able to boot from the floppy, I thought it's a good step now to assemble the AdLib kit. As I mentioned earlier, I ordered these PCBs from isla.net, but you can have them made at any other place that you like. And I also ordered a bunch of components that I need, mostly resistors, capacitors, and a few ICs. And these are the IC sockets. There's a Mauser project list if you want to order with Mauser, or otherwise you can choose any supplier that you like. I think for beginners like me it's good to actually use the IC sockets instead of soldering the ICs directly to the PCB, because this way you have a bit more leeway for mistakes and errors when soldering those things in, and afterwards you can just insert the ICs without the risk of damaging them by a too hot soldering iron staying too long in one place or something like that. So basically, we will start with this today. Let's see how far we go, because it's not that many components, but like these things have a lot of pins, so I will start by using these as a practice, and then afterwards we will solder the resistors and the capacitors, and then the bigger components like the potentiometer and the socket for the headphones or the speakers. And then afterwards it should be good to go, and we should be able to test it in our 286 PC. Okay, so let's go, and hopefully this works out. So, first step is done. We have all the IC sockets soldered here, and I'm not that disappointed actually with my work. I mean, I'm not a pro or anything, but this turned out pretty okay, I think. Well, the next step will be to solder the resistors, and seeing that it's already a bit late here, I will do this in the next part of the video, I think. Also, I think we can then probably wrap up the whole card and either test it already or save it up for a third part in the assembly series and try out 1 or 2 games. Hopefully I'm already being able to use the hard disk as well, because right now I can only boot from floppy. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to get this thing running here. So bear with me, and thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to, and otherwise have a nice evening.